Okay guys, hi. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do my makeup, and first I'm going to be using this this oil. It's kind of like jellyfish jelly, and I'm just going to put it all over the place, and I'm going to rub it in because it hydrates me and I look a little bit shiny, and I love to just glow a little bit first thing in the morning. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this all this stuff on. It's this brown stuff, and then I'm going to get a cool paintbrush and just rub it in, rub, and you gotta make sure you get your neck, because you only want to have one chin, okay? So make sure you get that, and you just gotta spread it around. Make sure you don't get it in your hair, because it's not good for your hair. I'm just gonna look at the camera, and yeah, just gotta keep scrubbing it around. Next we got it's like lip gloss, but it's for your face. So you put it underneath your eyeballs, because I have a Louis Vuitton bag, but I only want one. So yeah, and then you just do like a cool little arrow on your forehead and on your nose and your chin. And these just really, it helps accentuate your jaw and your facial features. And so this next thing that I'm putting on is it's a big thing of sidewalk chalk, kind of, but what this is going to do, it's going to add some dark spots, and it's just really going to help with the contrast of the makeup. And then I'm going to take another tiny little paintbrush and just kind of color my face. So I know I look pretty wild right now, but don't worry, it's all going to come together really soon. And you put a little tiny bit on the front of your nose, so it adds a nice little button nose there. You see the little line? Perfect. Next, I'm going to get this little paintbrush that looks like a porcupine, and then you just start blending and blending and blending. It's a little weird because you just keep poking your face nonstop, but yeah, it really does work. Trust me, ladies. Make sure that your forehead, you get it all rubbed in on your forehead and your chin, and then you got to switch brushes to a bigger porcupine brush, and then you just kind of scrub like my husband when he does the dishes. So just keep on going, and look at, wow, you see the nice contour I got going on here, and it really accentuates my cheekbones and my jaw, and it makes me look like I have a cute little button nose. Next, I'm gonna put on some blush, because I love to make my husband think that he's really cool and cute. And then I'm going to put some more of this jellyfish jelly stuff on my lips, because I don't put enough stuff on my lips already. And yeah, I'm just going to add some more hydration all around to the lips, and you just keep kind of rubbing that in. Perfect. Next, I got this Morphe thing. It's got a cool mirror in there, and there's this one that I obviously use a whole lot, and it's for my eyebrows, and I'm just going to go ahead and color my eyebrows in. Boom, there you go. Just kind of apply, and that's so they look full. Remember, ladies, your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters and not twins. Okay, next thing, I got my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Ooh, don't worry, I'm leaving my clothes on. Okay, then I'm going to use this color right here. Don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw that all above my eyes, and that way it just adds a little bit of oomph and some flair, So, but I do like to kind of stay with a more nude, neutral look. Nothing too crazy. I think it really brings out my eyes, and they are pretty cool. But anyways, that's besides the point. So you do a little bit under, a little over. Okay, on to the next thing. Now we're going for that shine, ladies and gentlemen. So next thing, we're gonna get another tiny little paintbrush, and we're gonna go ahead and just boop, just two little boops right on the inside of your eye there, and right on the tip of your nose. And this just makes you look extra cute. I like to call this stuff fairy dust. And then just right a little bit underneath the eyebrows. Those aren't your eyelashes, haha. Right underneath your eyebrows, just a hair. Okay, and next, I need another mirror, because the one in front of me isn't big enough. And I have this little Sharpie marker thing. And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to just go ahead. You can't really see because the camera's out of focus. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to paint these little wings on my eyelids here. And this is probably the hardest part because it's uneven, but they're so small so no one can tell. And then I'm going to put this spray on. And this is some setting spray, and it just makes sure that my face is nice and rock hard and the makeup doesn't fall off. And then you just gotta fan it in. And moving on to this eyeliner. So you gotta put this on and make sure that it gets on all your lashes. You gotta do top and bottom. Make sure you don't get in your eye. One more thing here. I got lipstick, of course, duh. You just gotta put it on. Make sure you put it on like some chapstick. And you just gotta kind of outline the lip a little bit so they look a little more full and plump for my awesome husband. Whoa, perfect. Next, hair. It doesn't look good right now. Just kidding. I'm a hairstylist. It always looks great. And we're just gonna go ahead and take it out of the little bun that it was in. And just gonna kind of fluff it up. Try and get it a little bit more volume here. I'm gonna do like this half up, half down kind of look thing for a second. And then I'm gonna take the straightener on the lower part, and what I'm gonna do here is curl the ends in just a little bit, okay? And you're just gonna wanna do that all the way around the back side of your head. Then you're gonna let down the rest of your hair, and you're gonna take another little section. So what I'm doing here is just sectioning it off a little bit, so that way, you know, my hair looks more even. And then I'm gonna put a nice little mohawk thing on the top of my head, and hopefully I'm just gonna leave that there for the rest of the day. We'll see how I feel. No, I'm actually gonna let that part down too. And what I'm gonna do is just run my fingers through my hair and mess up all the work that I just did. But surprisingly, it still looks halfway decent. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten everything back out. And yeah, so what I'm doing here, this is called the Lord Farquaad look, and I just think, I don't know, I just think it looks pretty, it just looks kind of distinguished, if you ask me. I think I look a little bit more professional. So that's almost about it, ladies. You just keep going around and curling it in, so that way it doesn't get caught on anything when you're walking by, you know. It doesn't look like you're back in the day with a little hair flip. Yeah, and then I have this cute little piece. And thank you so much for watching. Kisses. See ya. We love ya. Bye.